Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another HALO Mini on a Range Rover Sport 2021. Customer's super paranoid about a relay attack of these keys, so we fitted this system. So as soon as you open the door, I think it's already active, so let's just see now it's already active. So if I try and start it, you'll see it just won't detect the key, even though the key's in the car. Just key not detected. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, they've got 30 seconds to insert the code. On here we've done something really basic, so tap, 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 tap. We've got a flash, we can start the vehicle. Really simple, really straightforward to use, okay? A lot simpler than a lot of other products. As soon as I open the door, system becomes active, so you don't have to keep on inserting the code every time you turn off the ignition 10 seconds thereafter. So if I try and start it, it just won't start. Okay, so just insert the code to disarm it. Sorry, the code's incorrect. Let's just try again. Tap, 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 tap. System has flashed. Start the vehicle. Okay. Now, if we're taking it for a service and want to place it in valet mode, this is very, very straightforward. So as long as we don't open the door, we know the system is disarmed on this particular Range Rover. So ignition on, insert the code and hold it. So tap, 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 tap. Hold it on the last one. Wait for about 15 seconds and we'll get 5 flashes. You watch carefully. There you go. We're getting 5 flashes. It's now in valet mode. So if I turn the ignition off, open the door, no flashes, totally covert, try and start it, vehicle starts, okay? Once we've got the vehicle back, just basic main ignition on and just repeat exactly the same. Insert your code, tap, 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 hold. No flash at the moment because it's in valet mode, it's covert. Keep on holding for about 15 seconds. Watch carefully. There you go. It's now out of valet mode, open the door. System becomes active, try and start it, vehicle won't start, vehicle's protected. Okay, so basically jump in the vehicle, tap, 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 flash, start vehicle, drive away. Really simple, really, really straightforward. I mean, we have got other videos to actually show you how to change the code, but we're going to do that shortly now. Hope you found this helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.